There is a single company in the Netherlands that holds the global economy hostage. ASML doesn't just make chips, they own the only machines on Earth capable of scanning the future. Today, we reverse engineer the atomic gatekeeper. Without ASML's EUV machines, there is no AI, no sovereign clouds, and no advanced weaponry. They have engineered a technical moat so deep that even the world's superpowers are forced to pay the lithography ransom. This is vertical brutality. By controlling the IP of light itself, ASML has created a mechanical moat that makes the traditional tech monopoly look like a child's sandbox. If you want to compute, you must pass through their lens. The silicon age is built on a single point of failure. The BizCraft question: is ASML the ultimate engine of progress, or just the most dangerous single-point bottleneck in human history? Join the craft. Subscribe to Learning BizCraft. Join the craft as we continue to reverse engineer the invisible systems of global commerce. Subscribe to Learning BizCraft.